In the world of entrepreneurship, there are countless opportunities waiting for you to explore. Today we're diving into a unique one, starting a dog breeding business. This venture is more than just about puppies. It's about understanding the science of genetics, the art of matchmaking, and the love for man's best friend. In recent years, the demand for specific dog breeds has seen a significant increase, making dog breeding a potentially profitable venture. This business is not merely about producing puppies. It's about responsible breeding that focuses on enhancing specific breed traits and maintaining their health. It's about creating a legacy of quality, love, and care. This venture intertwines passion with entrepreneurship. It requires an understanding of various dog breeds, their temperaments, and their specific needs. It's about matching the right dogs and creating the next generation of loyal companions. So, if you're an animal lover with an entrepreneurial spirit, this might just be the business venture for you. As with any business, the first step to starting a dog breeding business is thorough research and planning. In the world of dog breeding, knowledge truly is power. Understanding different dog breeds and their specific needs is a cornerstone of this venture. Some breeds may require specific diets or exercise regimes, while others may have certain genetic predispositions that potential owners need to be aware of. The more you know about the breeds you plan to specialize in, the better equipped you'll be to provide for their needs and to inform your future clients. Now, it's not just about knowing your breeds, it's also about knowing your market. Who are your potential customers? What breeds are they interested in? What are the market trends in the dog breeding industry? By understanding the demand, you can strategically choose which breeds to focus on and at what price point to sell your puppies. Once you've got a grip on the breeds and the market, it's time to get down to the nitty-gritty of business planning. This is where you outline your vision and set your goals. What do you want to achieve with your business? How will you reach your target audience? What will set you apart from other breeders? A solid business plan should also include financial projections. How much will it cost to set up your breeding facilities? What will be your ongoing expenses? When can you expect to break even? These are all questions that need to be answered before you start investing your time and money. Marketing strategies are another crucial part of your business plan. In this digital age, a well-structured website and active social media presence are a must. Collaborating with local veterinarians, pet shops, and dog clubs can also be a great way to get your name out there. Lastly, consider your operational plans. This includes everything from feeding schedules and veterinary checkups to training and socialization programs. Remember, a well-run operation is key to producing happy, healthy puppies. Remember, the success of your business lies in the details of your planning. So, take your time, do your research, and plan meticulously. Your future as a successful dog breeder depends on it. Now that you have your plan, it's time to make your business official. Let's talk about legal requirements and forming an LLC. Forming a limited liability company, or LLC, is a crucial step towards legitimizing your dog breeding business. This legal structure safeguards your personal assets, keeping them separate from your business liabilities. Should anything go awry, your personal assets like your house, car, or savings remain untouched. Now, you may be wondering, how do I form an LLC? Well, it's not as daunting as it might seem, especially with services like Tailor Brands. They offer an easy and affordable way to set up your LLC. Tailor Brands guides you through the process, simplifying the paperwork and legal jargon. They'll help you file the necessary documents, create an operating agreement, and get your business up and running with the proper legal structure. But forming an LLC isn't the only legal requirement for a dog breeding business. You also need an employer identification number, or EIN. The EIN is a unique 9-digit number assigned by the Internal Revenue Service. It's used to identify business entities for tax purposes. Think of it as a social security number for your business. Getting an EIN is straightforward. You can apply for one directly from the IRS website, and the best part, it's free. Once you have your EIN, you can open a business bank account, hire employees if needed, and of course, file your business tax returns. It's important to remember that while setting up an LLC and obtaining an EIN might seem like tedious tasks, they are essential steps in establishing your dog breeding business. These legal requirements not only protect you and your assets, but also lend credibility to your business. Setting up your LLC with Tailor Brands will not only protect your personal assets, but also give your business a professional edge. Location and facilities play a critical role in a dog breeding business. Let's look into that. In the realm of dog breeding, your location is more than just a place on the map. It's an environment tailored to the needs of your canine companions. For starters, you need a space that's large enough to comfortably house the dogs. The requirement may range from a spacious backyard to a dedicated facility, depending on the size and breed of the dogs you're planning to breed. Remember, dogs are active creatures. They need room to run, play, and socialize. It's not just about physical space, though. The location should be safe and secure, free from hazards that could pose a risk to your dogs. You wouldn't want them to be in a place where they could easily get out or where harmful substances are within their reach, would you? Cleanliness is another factor that's of utmost importance. A clean environment is a healthy environment, and this holds true for dog breeding as well. Regular cleaning and maintenance of the breeding area are essential to prevent the spread of diseases and parasites. This includes regular disinfection of kennels and removal of waste. The facilities you provide for your dogs are equally significant. Think about their sleeping quarters, feeding stations, and play areas. It's crucial to have separate areas for different activities to help maintain order and cleanliness. Veterinary care facilities should also be within reach. Regular checkups and vaccinations are a must in maintaining the health and well-being of the dogs. Having a vet nearby would be ideal, but if that's not possible, ensure you have reliable transportation to a vet clinic. Don't forget about temperature control. Dogs, just like us humans, are affected by extreme weather conditions, so make sure your facility has proper heating for cold months and sufficient ventilation or air conditioning for hotter periods. And lastly, always consider your neighbors. While you might enjoy the sound of barking dogs, they might not share the same sentiment. Soundproofing or limiting noise pollution can go a long way in maintaining good relationships with those around you. Remember, a happy and healthy environment for the dogs is key to a successful breeding business. Breeding is more than just pairing two dogs together. It requires knowledge, patience, and dedication. Getting started, you'll want to choose the right dogs for breeding. This involves more than just selecting breeds that are popular or profitable. You'll need to consider factors such as breed health, temperament, and genetic compatibility. It's essential to understand that not all dogs of the same breed are suitable for breeding. Some may carry genetic disorders that can be passed on to their puppies. So, make sure to do thorough research and consult with a reputable vet before making your decision. Next, understanding the breeding cycle of dogs is crucial. A female dog or bitch usually goes into heat twice a year. This is the only time when she can conceive puppies. It's important to monitor her closely during this period, as breeding should ideally occur during the most fertile part of her cycle. Accurate timing can significantly increase the chances of a successful breeding. Now let's talk about prenatal care. Once your bitch is pregnant, she'll need extra care and attention. Her diet will need to be adjusted to accommodate the growing puppies, and she'll require regular vet checkups to ensure everything is progressing as it should. After the puppies are born, postnatal care becomes paramount. This includes ensuring the mother is healthy and able to nurse her puppies, monitoring the puppies' growth, and providing them with their first round of vaccinations. Remember, breeding dogs is not a one-person job. It's a team effort that involves you, your vet, and potentially other caregivers. You'll need to be prepared for late nights, early mornings, and plenty of surprises along the way. Above all, remember that breeding is a responsibility. Your dog's health and well-being should always be your top priority. When done responsibly and ethically, dog breeding can be a rewarding and fulfilling endeavor. But it's not for the faint of heart. It requires dedication, commitment, and a whole lot of love for our four-legged friends. You've got your dogs, you've got your puppies, now it's time to find them loving homes. The key to this is effective marketing and sales strategies. In today's digital age, there are various platforms to advertise your business. Social media, for instance, can be a powerful tool. Use platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter to showcase your adorable pups and reach potential buyers. Don't underestimate the power of a good reputation. Word-of-mouth recommendations can significantly boost your business. So, strive to provide top-notch service and healthy, well-cared-for dogs. Happy customers are often repeat customers, and they're more likely to refer others to you. Consider also partnerships with pet stores, veterinarians, and dog trainers. They can help spread the word about your business. And remember, every interaction you have is an opportunity to market your business. With effective marketing and a commitment to quality, your dog breeding business can truly thrive. So let your passion guide you and watch your business flourish.